How to change username on Monopoly Go? Thinking your Monopoly Go name needs a refresh? Here's how to change your username quickly and safely. First, launch the Monopoly Go app on your device. Now tap on this horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on your avatar or current name at the top of the sidebar to open your settings. Next to your displayed name, tap the pencil icon to open the name edit field. Here, type in your new username. It should be up to 3 characters. Then tap it. Once you tap it, tap on submit. And that's how you refresh your identity in Monopoly Go. Quick, easy and free. Just remember, you only get 3 tries before the change option is gone, so choose your name wisely. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.